At the confluence of the Ribnica and Morača rivers, Ribnica Fortress stands as one of the oldest surviving landmarks in Montenegro's capital. Though modest in size compared to grand European castles, the fortress occupies a site that has been strategically important for centuries. The origins of the fortress stretch back to antiquity, with the area first occupied during the Roman period near the ancient settlement of Doclea. The fortifications seen today were largely developed during the Ottoman era, when the site served as a defensive position protecting the approaches to what would become modern Podgorica. Unlike mountain fortresses designed to withstand major sieges, Ribnica Fortress functioned as a local military outpost and river-crossing defense. Its position beside two rivers allowed it to monitor movement through the valley and maintain control over important regional routes. The fortress also holds national significance as the birthplace of Josip Broz Tito, who was born nearby in 1892. This connection added another layer of historical importance to a site already associated with centuries of Roman, Ottoman, and Montenegrin history. About 2 kilometers from Ribnica Fortress stands King Nikola's Palace, often known as Petrović Castle. Built for the Petrović royal family in the late 19th century, it reflects the transition of Montenegro from frontier principality to modern European statehood. While Ribnica Fortress represents Podgorica's military origins, Petrović Castle symbolizes the emergence of an independent Montenegrin monarchy and national identity. Today, Ribnica Fortress remains a peaceful historic landmark surrounded by parks and riverside walkways in the heart of Podgorica. Though centuries have transformed the city around it, the fortress continues to preserve the memory of the settlement from which Montenegro's capital first emerged.